Do not try this at home. This experiment was performed with proper safety equipment and under the supervision of specialists behind the camera. For the Whoosh bottle rocket experiment, you need a 2.25 liter empty bottle, a 5 liter bottle, 19 liter empty bottle, matchbox, large stick with a cotton attached on its one end, methanol and a glass beaker. We need an empty bottle, so that's why we watered the plants through the water inside 5 liter bottle to make it empty. Pour 50 ml methanol into the beaker and pour that 50 ml methanol one by one into each bottle, and then shake the bottle so that bottles inside get filled with vapors of methanol. We used this half liter bottle for demonstration. After shaking, remove the cotton before putting fire near the bottle. Place the prepared bottles vertically. Now light the stick with matchstick. Now put the bottle with fire with the help of stick. Let's start the experiment with 2.25 liter bottle. Now comes the 5 liter bottle. Let's see how high it goes. Here comes the big 19 liter bottle. 3, 2, 1. Methanol is volatile and highly flammable. When we ignite the bottle, isopropyl alcohol immediately catches the fire and sound like whoosh. Therefore, we are calling it Whoosh bottle. Now place the bottles horizontally and ignite the bottles one by one. Wow! Bottles move like rocket with a whoosh sound. We didn't fire the third bottle because we saw that when we fired the 5 liter bottle, it emitted a lot of fire and it could be dangerous by firing the 19 liter bottle. So we ended the experiment here. For more interesting videos, do subscribe to our channel.